If you don't want to maintain pots, then here are some beautiful indoor plants that grow in water. They are easy to maintain without the mess of soil. We will start with Chinese evergreen, Philodendron, Wandering Jew, Pothos, Spider plant, Arrowhead plant, Coleus, Lucky bamboo, Chinese money plant, Croton, Impatiens, Begonia, Paperwhite, Ornamental Sweet Potato, Caladium, English ivy, Alocasia, Moth Orchid, Aluminum plant, Monstera. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel. Stay healthy, stay cool.